Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily add to text content with a click. Let's examine the text content addition feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the text modification menu appears. Then click on Text Add. Select the text and then press Enter. Next, choose the text you want to add. Here, if you select the front of the text, it will be added to the back, and if you select the back, it will be added to the front. If you select the front of the yellow text, you can see it's added to the back. Conversely, selecting the back of the green text adds it to the front. You can add to the desired position at the front, back of the text. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to add to the content of text. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.